If you have mild to moderate lymphedema, you can gain a lot of control over how your arm feels. As the disease progresses, and unfortunately there's not a lot of information about lymphedema that's available to people, but as it progresses, it actually will create immobility, it'll create heart and kidney disease, it'll create skin lesions, but the worst thing is cellulitis. This is a very severe infection. It's actually life-threatening. So if you have lymphedema, it could be in your arm, your leg, it could be in any part of your body. If you start having pain, you start getting, the area starts becoming very hot. And again, you need to be very aware of this because it often, if you have a bad case of cellulitis, it needs a hospital stay and it needs rounds of antibiotics. It could be very, very, very life-threatening. So be aware of the condition of your lymphedema. And this is where maintaining your lymphedema is important. We just can't wrap, we just can't wear a sleeve. We have to understand how to use diet, how to use basic supplements, which are very important, and how to do self-lymphatic drainage, how to drain your own lymphatic system to keep circulation going through the area with edema. Remember, our area of edema, whether it's your arms or legs, is really just a symptom. It's often due to a blockage in the upper body, so be more aware of that. But the most important thing is to create circulation through your body to help the edema. But if you have an infection, you don't want to be doing any type of drainage until you see a physician, get it checked out, and possibly get on some antibiotics. But do not let any type of infection or irritation in your skin with lymphedema go unmanaged because it will become a serious problem. All right, hope you guys have a great day and are managing your lymphatic system to help your lymphedema.